Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss how can we create a dynamic speedometer chart in MS Excel. You can see here I have created already a chart. In this video we will learn how can we create such type of dynamic speedometer chart in MS Excel. So let's start. Now first of all I need some data. Let's copy it from here and let's paste it here. Uh, okay, I paste it. I just paste it. Sorry. Okay, now how can we create? First of all, we need to go insert, then pie chart, and then this chart. Okay, now just need to select data, add series. Series name can be anything like V1. I say just V1. You can choose series name as your wish and select the value this. Okay, okay, okay. First of all, I want to just explain the formulas that I used in my values. Actually, these values are responsible for this chart. So, how can we scale them? First of all, the visible value can be initial value. This initial value can be initial input value can be connected your table or your list, whatever you are desired to show in your chart. Let's I just take it 60%. Okay, next I need to create this type of chart. How can we create? This will be the initial value. This is pointer, and this is let's I give the value of pointer 2. You have to understand this. This is 1 minus sum of this. You can subtract, either subtract 1 minus this, or you can subtract 1 minus the sum of subtract the sum of this. Okay, then hidden part is 50 because we are scaling 2 ratio 3. So let's move. You need to select chart, remove title, legend, and then click on the chart, format data series. Then angle of first slice should be 240. Enter. Okay, now what you need to create, you need to change the color of the portion. This is our hidden part, this light blue. Right click, fill, and no fill. Okay, similarly for this, right click, fill, and no fill. Select the no fill. Okay, click on this portion and go to fill and select no fill. Okay, now you have only shown the pointer. Click on it and fill the color as your design. I just doing it black. Okay, now what you need to create, you need to create the scale. How can you create? You go to chart design, select data, right click, select data, add series. This series name I can write series V1, last ones pass, and it can be V2. And you need to write the values 1, 1, 1 and 1 and 2 and close the parenthesis and click on OK. OK. Now what you need to go? You need to go format, chart design, or either you can select the chart, right click on it, change chart type, click on OK. What you need to go chart design, say change chart type, click on it and OK, change chart type, and you can see the series, select series 2, that is V2, and select it to doughnut, then click on this will show pointer value over the another chart, and click on OK, and click on this series, format data series, again go to the chart type. For this time I am hiding this and showing this over. OK, now what you need to create a change the color before this format data series and change the angle 240, click on enter, create the donut hole size, change the donut hole size up to your desired level. I am just setting it to 70%. OK, now what you need to do, you need to change the color of each part. This show is no fill, and this is our scale, solid fill, and change the color to your as you wish, change it to yellow, set is blue, and this should be green. OK, now what you need to do, you need to click on the chart, go to format, outline, and no outline. OK, now what you need to go, you need to go chart design, change chart type, and click it check, and this is uncheck. OK, this will uh, work as your pointer, format, outline, no outline. OK, so this is your pointer value. OK, as you can see, if the value is go to 50, then it works. OK, now what you need to do, you need to create the shape or circle to make it square 3, or height should be same 3. Click this control, go to align, go to center align, again go to middle align. OK, now click on it, go to shape outline, should be black, and shape fill should be no fill. Here you can see the pointer values are showing. Now what you need to do, you need to create the scale. Before creating the scale, you need to insert the text box. Create the text box here. Okay, this will show your pointer value or here. Click on this, go to formula bar, press equal and write your visible value. Click OK. Center line it and create increase the size up to your desired level. Okay, I set it to 12. Go to format, shape format, and no fill or line, no no line. Okay, now you can see here is values change. If I change this value, let's 30, so it is dynamically change. Now what you need to do, you need to create the graduations here, so you can easily create from insert shapes or similarly control D, you can copy, duplicate, just like this, and such like. Okay, now you have to complete it. For hiding such type of part, lower portion, you can create a shape. Go to shape, shape fill should be white, shape outline should be no outline. After creating this, you can change the color of your pointer as you wish. I just change it to okay. Also you can create change the size of this, increase the size 40, and go to insert shape illustration and circle. Okay, create a small circle here. Set it to black. Okay, for perfect alignment, click Control this, go to center align, also middle align. Now you can see it is totally aligned. Now what you need to do, you need to create the small text box here, 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 and here. So I do text box here and I come back. Okay, I have completed the graduations and text box and write the text. Now what you need to do, you need to create the list. It's up to you. Okay, how to create the list? First of all, you need to go to data, then data validation, uh, any value, select any value to list, then source should be here can be write values 0, like 5, like 10. It's up to you. 15, 20, 25, 30. Let's I quickly. Okay, when you complete your value, click OK. Now you can see here button is showed. From in this cell I put the data values. As button shows, you can see the list. So what you need to do, you need to write you need to link the cell with your links. How can you link? Right click, insert this. Okay, so it is showing the as it was in percentage, so I can divide this value by 100. Okay, now you can see as I change the value from the button, this value show in the link cell, and link cell will show this value in visible cell. So this is what how can we create such type of chart in MS Excel. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Okay.